Yeah. A very good evening to one and all, and welcome to our live session. I'm Zainab Kadri, Media and PR Executive at 9SEM. 9SEM is India's first and only skill-based digital learning platform, providing skill-based learning to the engineers in the core and in the non-IT industries. Well, today happens to be one of the most exciting days for me, and I'm really excited to start the live session. And you can all see that I'm really happy because it's our Meet the 9SEM team day. As we are nearing towards the end of the year, we wanted to come up with something really special to you all. Okay, because you all have been an important part of us. So we decided to come up with something really special. That is, we have our founders coming online, okay, with our live session. So you have a chance to have a live interaction with all of them. So we are all really excited because it's the very first time a 9SEM team is coming live, although all of them couldn't make it. So we have a few founders who will be coming live. So I hope you all make a good use of it. Ask all your queries because till now, I think very little information from my side has been exposed to you all about 9SEM, but all the in-depth information and all the different queries everybody would have is not resolved, right? So you could have a chance to talk with them, and it is also really important to us to make you all feel special and talk about our how 9SEM has grown over the year. And this year has already been so difficult for all of us, but as a team and as a company we have grown, and we really feel proud to host this live session today. And it is with immense love and gesture that we have planned this live session just for you all. So I hope you all make very good use of it. Okay, you can put in all your queries, tag your friends in the comment section so that even they know that 9SEM team is coming live. So yeah, this is not just another live session. This is the live session for us and for you. So now, without any further ado, let me just add our team members on the live session and begin with the live session. Yeah. So today with us we have Mr. Manish Patnaik and Mr. Soumya Ranjan Sahu. They are the founding members at 9SEM. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, hi Janab. Good evening. Good
Good
evening all.
evening.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Those are present over here.
Yeah. So basically, people want to know more about 9SEM, and that is the main motive behind us coming up with this live session. So in the past few years, many of the startups have transformed globally, and also the credit goes to the vision of the founders, right? All this credit. So some of the famous
Yeah.
ventures such as Uber, Ola, Byju's, and an academy, and so on, and many of these successful startups, okay, due to the out of the box thinking and due to their continuous efforts and dedication which they have put up, okay, everybody has grown and every venture has a story. So we would also want to know the story about 9SEM. So this can be only known through the founders. So yeah.
Okay, so you want to know our story, right?
Yes.
Okay, so story is somewhat like that. Ki, yeah, like our main aim that is to resolve the market issues. So whatever the story it is starting from the earlier days till up till now. We are only focused upon market research, market analysis. How can we develop our product in a very good way, which is very helpful to the market. So initially, yeah, we were having a lot of difficulties when we have started, but slowly and slowly everything is getting resolved smoothly. And yes, we believe in one thing that if you do not have any guts, then you cannot build up any kind of glory. So that is our
Yeah.
principle. We have started something, we believe in something, and we are going through.
Your
That's all.
principle is really very nice, and that is what keeps our 9SEM team intact. I should say that.
Yeah.
So my questions, like from my side, what I'm asking you are very basic questions, okay? And I will ask you the questions, whatever the questions will be put up in the comment section. before that, you
Mhm.
just brief a little about 9SEM. So I'll be asking you 2-3 questions regarding that. So my next question would be, what is the main idea behind the foundation of 9SEM?
Yeah, Janab. Like 9SEM is, you can say it is a transformer. Like we generally focus more on the core engineering students. So basically, we believe in the transforming of the students to a corporate level employee, right? So
Okay. Yeah.
we put them in a process through which
Mm-hmm.
make sure that that particular student get a good transformation, get a good transition to a corporate employee. We make him or her
Okay.
industry ready, and we prepare
Mm-hmm.
them uh, like we put them in a format so that they can make best use of it, and they can be industry ready, and
Mm-hmm.
the corporate are focusing those candidates, those are
Mm-hmm.
already they are ready for their industries. Okay,
Yeah.
that is the main motto behind 9SEM. So it
Nice.
is basically a
Oh,
transformational platform. So
okay. So
that's
you
my
want
take.
to transform the engineers into productive engineers, basically.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Basically, it is a transaction like from a student to an employee. That transaction are being done by 917.
Acha, yeah.
That you can take from this session.
Okay, okay. So, sir, many of the times what happens is like even when since I have started working here and I've been a part of 9SEM, the most relevant query most of the people have is why is it only core branch related? Why not the other branches? This is like the most common query most of the people have. So, what do you have to say about it?
Yeah, definitely. It is a very good question, Janab. Basically, we are
Thank you.
also getting this query in our various social media handles, like in Facebook, like in LinkedIn, or over Insta as well. But
Yeah,
the
yeah.
thing is that there was a huge gap, you know, uh, because the industries are, they need a good professional, but they do not need any kind of, the student who is good in the books, right? They need professionals like those are industry ready.
Hmm.
So for IT industries, like for IT corporates, there are a lot many uh, so they are already in the market. They are providing training. They are providing certificates. They are already in the market. But for the core engineering sectors like mechanical, like electrical, like be it chemical, biotech, or civil, there are some gap. So people are graduating, but they are not making it in an industry level. So that huge gap was there in India basically. So we are trying to fill that particular gap. So that's our
Okay.
agenda for
Behind
this
having
point of
only core branches. Yeah, yeah.
That's
So
our main
basically,
aim, even.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So I'll
and
ask you a very, oh yeah, yeah. So you
yeah,
can
one
go ahead.
small point. Yeah, one small point I want to add, like core engineering sectors are those sectors, those sectors put a huge value to the economic growth of any kind of any country. Okay, because
Yeah.
all the inputs uh, India is getting, or the the sectors that are improving our economy, those are basically from the core industry sectors, like be it be like steel, or maybe like oil and gas, or maybe infrastructure or real estate, like agrochemical sectors. So those are the sectors, and they basically hire bulk employees, right? uh, if you
Mm-hmm.
think
Yeah.
like in a chemical sector, or in a mechanical sector, or any kind of civil sector, there
Mm-hmm.
basically people work like more than 3,000 or 4,000. So
Yeah.
it gives a very huge impact on the GDP of a country. So
Mm.
that can be filled by 9SEM. That is the main
Mm.
agenda of our organization.
Okay. That's really good to know, sir. So I'll move on to the next question. Okay. And
Mhm.
this is a very special question according to me. So what makes our 9SEM different from the others?
Okay. What makes 9SEM different from the others?
Yes.
Like as Soumya said that we basically deals in core engineering sectors. Like one
Yeah.
need to basically understand what is core engineering and what is IT. Basically
Yeah.
in engineering there are two kind of sectors that they teach.
Mm.
One is for core students, that is mechanical, electrical. When I talk about mechanical or electrical, mechanical includes automobile engineering also, electrical
Yeah.
includes electronics, communication, instrumentation, all this kind of things. So uh, if you go through any of the websites where they all are making industrial ready for IT sectors, but no one is
Yeah.
making industry ready for the core sectors. So this
Mm-hmm.
one thing makes us different, for which we are unique in the market. That's why we
Oh.
write we are India's first and only digital learning platform.
Okay. Okay. So basically, you're focusing on the thing which nobody has yet come up with.
We are focusing on the core related things. Like as
Correlated thing.
Soumya said, yeah, we are transforming the lives of engineers who are willing to work in the core sectors.
Acha, acha. Okay. Okay. So I think my questions were so basic and they were about this only. So we'll just move on towards the comment section because this is, after all, a session which we have come up with for our audience. So let's just address their questions and see what are the doubts they are having.
Yeah.
It's really nice to see any people responding and being a part of our live session. Um, okay, so first question goes by Saurabh. How have 9SEM developed over the years?
Yeah, basically, Zenar, 9SEM,
Yeah.
is a brand name, and we are registered in a name like Abhyukt EduTech Private Limited. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we registered on, I think in the month of July 2020, but in 2020, on the starting onwards, I think on April 1st, we started our surveys, we started working, we started talking to people like this is our idea. So come and
Mm-hmm.
join us, be a part of 9SEM. So you can deliver your
Mm-hmm.
experiences to the students. So that was our primary task to gather some industry professionals, those who are willing to, give their knowledge or deliver their knowledge to the students. So
Yeah.
that was our target. We made a survey, and in this particular survey, we conducted a survey. I think more than 3,000 students participated there, and there's when we scrutinize those things, we found out that they are not really industry ready, and even
Mm-hmm.
a student in mechanical engineering do not
Mm-hmm.
exactly know that what are the scopes are available in India that he can go for. So that was the
Okay.
basic challenge, to make audience uh, give them knowledge that there are scopes,
Mm-hmm.
but we need to
Mm-hmm.
prepare for that. So
Acha.
that was
Yeah.
our
Mm-hmm.
first step, and we gathered some industry professionals. We discussed with them. We fixed meetings, and in the pandemic also we organized random meetings and multiple meetings in a day. We uh, convinced them that it is a platform there you can deliver your lectures, you can share your knowledge. So it was quite tough for us, and good partners like Manish, Ambika, Surya, they came up, and they put in their efforts. So that's how we are here, and I will allow Manish, if he has some points, then he can also.
Okay, no, actually the question was asked from Saurabh. So, oh, not like over the years we have registered on July 2020, but the background, the back end work, it all started in the month of April. So I think no one will see the back end work, the how much struggle we have done to gather people, to influence them, to let them know what is the benefits of it, why we are starting. So that thing is starting from the April, right, Soumya? Around 3 months
Yeah, yeah,
before. Yeah,
It's really good to
that
know all these things. that you all really worked hard for 3 months before.
Yeah.
And I'm sure
I
you all
hope
worked
Saurabh
before
would
that.
also be knowing it. We are clear
Yeah,
with the
yeah,
answers.
that was in our mind, but I think some situations were not there, and people were segregated. They came into a place, and we decided that this should be done by us. So we accelerated the same thing, and we are here now also, and with the audiences.
Yeah, here we are, right in front of you. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Yeah, so the next question goes like,
I think there are a lot of questions. That's why
I
Zainab is
know,
confused.
I have to literally scroll and sort it out. Like, so is there any plan of 9SEM to expand their reach in the other fields of engineering, in the other fields other than engineering?
Yeah, definitely, Janab, we have some plans. Like it is a question from Drashti Bhasin, right? So Drashti, definitely we have some plans. Like basically we are focusing on the the pharmaceutical students, like B Farm and D Farm and M Farm students, and the courses will be available very soon. I think in the first quarter or in the second quarter of 2021, and we are hoping so that also will get some feedback. So we are hoping so.
Let's
Okay,
hope
I
for
would
the
like to
best.
add one thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Drishti, it is like that initially we have started with the core engineering sector. We started building that thing. We have developed that thing. Now we are into the market with that product. Once that product is now hit in the market, now we are planning for something else. So that something else is like B Pharma and M Pharma thing. So it is how in slowly after that product is launched, we'll again plan for something. It is a continuous process.
so we'll keep on serving
Yeah,
you from 9SEM.
Yeah.
because the
And we
the
seriously believe
pharmaceutical.
in customers' feedbacks. If there are more any kind of feedbacks, like we should be in this sector also, we should be in that sector also. Yeah, we will be in after certain amount of planning. Right, Soumya?
Yeah, definitely. I think right now pharmaceutical industries are growing in a manner like immense manner. So
Yeah, yeah.
definitely our students of India and the new entrants should be get their dream job in pharmaceutical industries. And in the first or second quarter of 2021, 9SEM is going to provide them a very good package, very good exposure, learning exposure to the students.
Yeah.
So this is a chance, all of you. You can comment below what all things you want, from our side. What all sectors or any specific courses you want us to cover, and then the founders have already told that they'll look into it. And also the 9SEM logo says you aspire and we deliver. So yeah, that is the
Yeah,
thing.
exactly. Whatever you will aspire, we will deliver that thing.
Yeah. Let's move on to the next question. What unseen opportunities did you see that may result in making your startup a huge success?
Okay, I think we have answered this question. I think it was the third or fourth question. It is like there are no any kind of websites or no institutes, online digital learning institutes who provide training for the core sectors, core related subjects. So this is the opportunity that that can be which would lead us to have a good startup success. And secondary, what we are doing, we are only not building up by providing them training. We are conducting a certification course for them. We are conducting an exam for them. If they are passed in that exam, they will attain a certificate from us. And along with the core related skills, we also develop their soft related skills. That is like we get them ready for the interview process. We have mock interviews in our packages. We have we do build resume and LinkedIn profile. So summarizing all these things, this would lead us to an unseen opportunity, what we can say.
That's nice. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Is your startup profitable for investors? Shubhra wants to know.
Yeah, Subra, it's a very good question. We are
So
very
your
new.
voice is little slow. So the volume.
Am I audible now, Janab?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Subra, basically, it is a very good question. This startup is, someone is trying to invest in 9SEM. It is a profitable deal or not? That is basically your question that I am getting from the chat box. So, thing is that we are very new, and it is a very challenging product. So the thing is that we are getting some good responses from the students because they are getting a good amount of profit, or they are getting a good amount of industry ready skills from 9SEM. So the thing is that we are dealing with the corporates as well. We are dealing with some universities as well. So that is basically the model. Like we deal with the industries. They basically hire from our students. So basically the thing is that they get the industry ready students. So that is the whole ecosystem at 9SEM. So if some
Yeah.
investor is investing at 9SEM, definitely it is going to be boost, and he or she can get a good amount of profit.
Get that. So we
I
are
hope
providing
Subra
them.
have got their answer.
Yeah.
Answer is yes,
Probably.
it is profitable.
Definitely. And one more point I want to add, like, multiple number of investors have also approached us for the investment purpose. Uh, and we are having multiple meetings with them. So let's see. I hope so. We are right now running as a bootstrap model. So basically, we will permit to some and investment startup.
Yeah. So basically, all the investors out there who are watching our live sessions, you also can address this answer. Yeah, we can go to the
Yeah,
next
yeah.
question. Um,
I think Soumya should answer this.
who are the early
Soumya has
employees
a
in your
very good answer.
startup, and how did you hire them, and how many members are there in the company right now?
Okay. Mridu Pawan Gautam, it is a very good question. Like, I will love to answer this question. Who are the early employees in our startup? Like, we are not the founding members. We are also the employees of 9SEM, and we never represented us like that we are founders or co-founders or like directors or all. And you are seeing Manish Patnaik, Soumyaranjan Sahu. There is basically 200 persons are there, in our team in backend. So it is a huge team we are working with, and Janab is also there. He is also an early entrant at 9SEM. And how many members? I already talked. It is 200 plus, and I think it's done. Manish,
Yeah,
to
that's
add
all.
something?
No, I want to listen the same thing. So as you have spoken, it's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, this
Basically,
is
we
our
all are
team.
employees like
Some of the members
We
of
all
our
are
team.
employees basically.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all are.
yes.
Because there is a trend. If we behave like founders, and if we only think yes, we are तो हमने तो कुछ found कर लिया है. Now let us make the team work. So that is not how work goes. So for that reason, we all treat as 9SEM as our own, and we all work. All the complete 200 members.
Yeah.
And
But it
I
was
totally
quite
agree with
challenging.
this question. Yeah, sir. You can
But
proceed.
Janab Manish, like it was quite challenging to build a team
Very
like
challenging.
that we are having at 9SEM. And like I really feel like like in heaven, while I will talk someone about 9 sem, and the team members, I generally attend the meetings with the team members. I feel really good and refreshed.
Exactly,
Whatever they
exactly,
have
right.
told is like it's like completely true. They have also me being a part of 9sem. I'll just add on to your answer. We have never seen them as behaving as founders or people who tell you to do things. We are all working together as a team. It's like one for all and all for one kind of thing. And yeah, we make a good team, and that's why we
Yeah.
are here, all happy faces, as you can see. So we'll move on to the next question. Yeah. So there might be many, but what was one of the highest achievement of 9sem?
There.
Varsini, Varsu,
Control.
what was
Okay.
the biggest achievement of 9sem? Yeah, very early stage of our startup, we got recognitions from various institutions like Startup India, like Startup Odisha, and recently we got published in Your Story. So these
Yes.
were very short achievements, but there are some which are in pipeline. Like we are going to collaborate with some good good companies of and reputed companies of India, and definitely this will be reflected in our social media handles. So do check out our social media handles, and definitely you are gonna get some knowledge from there.
Yeah, we have most of the things posted on our social media handles. So you can check our social media handles and get to know more about our achievements, not just one achievement. Already there are many, so you can just check out those things. Uh, let's move on to the next question. There are a lot of people who have tagged their friends. So that's the reason I'm literally searching out for questions.
No, that's okay, fine.
Okay. I think this question's already been answered. What makes 9sem shine brighter than the others?
I think we have answered this twice
Yes,
as of now.
twice. Yeah,
But again,
exactly.
I would like to add there are many kind of digital learning platforms they provide for non we can say for IT sectors training, but there are very few, or we can say according to our survey, it is like no other. So that's the reason why we are the first and only digital learning platform who provide services for core related sectors, and this is why we which makes us shine brighter than others.
I
Thank
am
you for
having
that
one more point.
question. Yeah, yeah, sure.
Like, what is the difference? Basically, the team members are different, so they shine brighter like a sun.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Okay.
that is
Yeah.
that is the main difference. Basically, the very important difference. The team is
Hmm.
very important, Sharad, because without a team, to achieve something, it is quite difficult for you.
Yes, yes,
Like
definitely. Thank you, Web.
I
Yeah.
can remember a famous quotation: "If you want to run fast, run alone. If you want to run far, run as a team." So we are
Yeah,
running
that's
as
Ah,
a
great.
team.
absolutely. We are running
Yeah.
as a team and we are running far.
Yeah.
That's absolutely right. Thank you, Webber, for that wonderful question. And we got a wonderful answer from our team. So, yeah, we can proceed with the next one. What is that which makes 9sem possible? Like, what was that one thing that aided as an initiative to start 9sem?
Yeah, basically,
Okay.
which is the thing is that the persons, those who are associated at 9th, they basically belong to core industries, and all those professionals have faced same issues that we are going to resolve for a student. So that made 9sem possible. And the course module that you are seeing, and the course module that you are going through day and night, that was provided by those industry experts. They have already faced those problems, so that's why it is a solution, right? 9sem is a solution. So एक ना एक दिन तो solution आना ही था. So it was,
अभी आ गया.
you know, yeah.
हमने
Okay,
सोचा
I
हम
would
solution
also
like
like to add one thing. Towards his first question, what Nishit has said, what was it that made 9SEM possible? Like, we believe in market research. Initially, before we started EduTech Private Limited, we were into the market surveying. The difficulties which most of the core engineers are facing, are the students also facing the same? Do they know the core related knowledges? What industries, in which industries, what is going on and not? So we found that it is like all the students, most of the students are very much lack of practical knowledge. So to attain this practical knowledge, we have started this 9SEM. And the initiative was also very simple to resolve the market issue, to resolve the industrial market issue. Yeah.
I hope that satisfies your question, Nishit. And then we'll move forward to the next question. That is by Shubhra. How did you come up with the name 9SEM? Like, how was it derived? Even I was very curious when I started working over here. I was very curious. And the first question I asked was, what does 9SEM mean? When I started working.
It is a
Yeah,
very curious question, actually, Zen. So the thing is that when we decided that this is our idea and we are going to run this, and we started searching some good names. We discussed uh, overnights, like what should be the name, what should be the ideal name that should uh, represent our our product. So we I think we have discussed more than 300 names. So finally 9SEM came, and we all agreed that this should be the name, and finally it is here.
9SEM.
9SEM.
Nice name. Okay.
Like
So
basically,
we'll go. Yes, sir.
it says like if you are completing your 8th semester, it is the next semester for you, and it is going to transform your life. So that basically means 9SEM.
So this is an extra semester of practical knowledge and learning, basically.
Definitely. Yes, exactly. You can say that.
Yeah. So we'll move on with the next question. That is, what type of skills and qualities you are looking for an ideal employee?
Okay. So, Parul Gupta, it is a very good question. If you will talk about the employees, then definitely, employees are the team members. Like, say, if I will, give you the example, Janab is the, is a team member of media and PR. So, I could not get the question, Parul. Like, if you are talking about which kind of profile, right? If someone is applying for media and PR, and if someone is applying for the product development, someone may apply for the business development. So we we require different qualities in them, and we scrutinize it in the interviews. So that is basically the process. It should
So
not
it
be any
depends
ideal
on, yeah. So it
yeah,
depends on the eligibility you're looking for, the position in the company,
the profile and the position. Yeah,
the
definitely.
profile and the. So depending on that, they will basically judge you on the skills. Like it's like any other company who will select a candidate for one position.
Yes.
So we
Yeah.
have Mr. Manish back with us.
Okay. It was some network links.
Network. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next question. What type of courses do we have for mechanical engineering in 9SEM?
Like courses for mechanical, we have courses for mechanical, electrical, civil, metallurgy, and chemical. So under this mechanical, we have courses for automobile sectors, we have courses for aeronautical sectors, all this kind of things are there. So basically we are having three kind of packages, and other we are having individual certification packages. Like if anyone have visited our website, they would have seen CCIM, and many might have got confused. What is this CCIM? CCIM is basically certification courses on industrial models. Like a person who is undergoing mechanical engineering, there may be many sectors where he can work. Like it can be like power plant sectors, machinery sectors, automobile sectors, and many like this kind of things. A person who is studying electrical engineering, he can work on many sectors like automation sectors, electrical machinery, electrical power plant, like that many. So we have diversified our courses into many sectors, and that is how we are providing courses to all our students.
I need to one more, add one more point. Like it was
Yes,
a,
sir.
it was a very good challenge for us to, make the students understand that there is a huge scope in mechanical engineering, but you need to recognize that. Basically the question is what type of courses we provide. Like there are, 10 number of sectors available or more than that in mechanical engineering, like aeronautical, like automobile, like hydraulic sector is there, like real estate. One mechanical engineer can work in real estate sectors, and in plant maintenance, like in manufacturing, but people are not aware of it. So that was the main issue. So we are trying to resolve that. So people need to Google the same, that what is the scope for mechanical engineers. Then only they can know the the importance of the packages and the importance of 9SEM or the product
Yeah.
details.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think that satisfies her question. And then we'll move on to the next question. That is Roshan. Can 9SEM provide some voucher or coupons for the courses so that people will get more and more attracted for taking them?
Okay, so for Roshan, it is we are providing many kind of coupons, many kind of vouchers. You only need to be updated with our website, with our social media outreach and all. You'll come to know about the vouchers that we have earlier provided, the coupons that we are providing it right now. So everything is there. You just need to be updated with our social media outreach and even though our website. Yes, Swami, you want to add any?
Yeah, definitely. Roshan, I want to say that 9SEM is going to provide you some free courses in 2021. So do check it out. Definitely that's gonna help you boost your career.
Yeah.
Yeah, Roshan, keep yourself updated with all the updates, and there you may find some coupons and vouchers and some discounts. Yeah, we have a lot in store for all you people. So we'll move forward to the next question. That is by Rituraj. How does 9SEM make student life more productive by their course?
Okay. So thing is that there is a big confusion. Like should one student take an online e-learning platform courses or not, or he should go to some some internships. He should do some internships or should do some courses of IT industries. Like there are a lot many scopes are there. But the thing is that you need to figure it out that what is the opportunity cost that you are paying. Like you
Mm-hmm.
are paying like lakhs of rupees to the institutions in your studies, like to your
Yeah.
colleges or universities. But the thing is that they are they are not updating themselves. The courses are same,
Mm-hmm.
like those who are in 90s, the same you all are getting in the 20s. So that is the thing, that they are not upgrading themselves. Universities are not upgrading themselves, but the corporates, the industries are growing rapidly, and the technology is upgrading. So that should be in your mind.
Yeah.
So we are focusing on the
Mm-hmm.
upgraded technologies, and we are we are preparing some good contents. We are collaborating with good corporates, with good industries, and we are onboarding industry experts from various institutions, various corporates.
Yeah.
So they are capable enough to make you industry ready. So that is the particular
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Some I would also like to add some, like productive. It as we are providing CCIM courses, that is certification courses on industrial module, and all that industry modules are made by our industry experts, and all
Mm-hmm.
the industry experts are having 5+ years of experience in industries. Like
Yeah.
what we studied in college, it is completely related to theoretical thing, and which is not updated also as comparison to the present market. So
Yeah.
when an industry expert teaches the same thing to the students who are presently at present in college, or they are into just, like we can say, they are just a fresher, so they
Mm-hmm.
will gain more knowledge, because the mistakes which we have done or which the industry experts have done at their earlier
Mm-hmm.
stages, that thing is also covered. Plus, they are teaching something new.
Mm-hmm.
So two things can be earned. One thing is like you can save your time. If you're saving your time, you can enhance your that time in some other productivity factors. And second is like you will be learning from the industrial experts, which will be completely what we can say, which is completely useful for all of them, because it is like they teach. They are not professional teachers or something that they will teach
Mm-hmm.
A to Z in a particular manner. They are
Mm-hmm.
like industry experts. What they learn, they are delivering that thing. So they will easily learn all that kind of things, and this will make a student life more productive.
Okay. That's great. And there are a lot many questions out here. Okay. I think we can reply to these questions in the comment section, as we are already past the time. So probably we could,
Hmm.
end the live session, and maybe sir will, address the questions in the comment section. Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Yeah,
So that
yeah.
works.
All those questions which will be left over, will be commenting. We'll be giving them answers in the comment section.
Fine, fine. No
So there is
issues.
no issues. They can even ask questions in the comment section. We are ready to answer.
Yeah, you can ask the questions, and also we'll put a link of our website, that 9SEM official website, in the link and in the comment sections as well. So you can visit our 9SEM website and get more information regarding the different courses and the different prices and stuff. So yeah, you could do that.
Zainab, I would like to add something here
Yeah,
to
yeah,
the
sure, sir.
answer of Rituraj itself. If I heard previously many things, like all the persons who are taking the interview, the mock interviews, which includes in our package, who are they? The means the students are very confused, who are taking
Hmm.
our interviews and all. So let me clear that thing out. Like we are having a lot of industry experts. You can say like more than 70+ industry experts are there in team.
Yes.
So in that 70+ experts, if we calculate the average work experience, it would be like 8 or 9 years.
Hmm.
And yes, we do have many, like we are having our mentors even, who are retired persons from the industry. They are having 35+ years of experience, and they are mentoring us. They are mentoring the industry experts to take this kind of interview. So
Hmm.
talking about the industry experts, like how do we handle, how does each and every person get a call, is like we have a team lead. Like for electrical, we
Hmm.
are having Keith Basnaik. For mechanical, we are having Telip Pradhan. So they assign
Hmm.
some of the industry experts, and along with them,
Yeah.
they also stood up. So the
Hmm.
call is taken between two persons from 9SEM, and
Hmm.
one person would be from the other side, the mock
Hmm.
interview person. And
Hmm.
similarly, if anyone is visiting our website, and if they want to know what is going on, what is not, so our website is also developed by an industry expert itself. His name is Abhilash
Hmm.
Mohanty. He is the team lead, and that is how
Hmm.
he handles the complete team. If anyone is asking
Hmm.
any kind of doubts in our website, the reply
Yeah.
which comes back is from industry expert itself, but the website is
Okay.
handled by another team. So that is how the complete process goes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Get that. So yeah. So sir has given a very brief what do you say, a brief elaboration of how it works. So yeah, basically you might be having a lot of clarity about how it functions right now. So yeah, this is how it makes the student life more productive, because there are so many people. There's a whole team who's working to make one student's life productive.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
yeah, now we will wind up with the live session, and we will answer all your questions in the comment section. And thank you so much for so much of love that we received from you all. And finally, the motive we
Yeah.
had to make it special, I think we have fulfilled it. Okay, we really wanted to do something for you all from 9 SEM before we end this year 2020, because you all have been a very important part, and it is because of you that we have achieved so much. And of course, who's not here right now, all our colleagues and all the other founding members who could not make it today. Thank you so much, for giving us this opportunity to have this live session, and to make it such a nice ending towards this a year where we all have faced so much of consequences. Yeah. So you want to add something from your
Yes.
side?
Yeah, definitely. So I think I must congratulate to our social media team and media team. They are working hard, and with the we got a good outreach, social media outreach, and good brand promotion for them as well. So definitely we are going to provide good services to the students. So that's all from my side, and wishing you all a happy new year, and thank you very much, Janab.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part. Thank you, really, really. And yeah, it was a nice session, and I hope we have
Yeah.
cleared most of the queries all the people had, because this live session was intended to clear out all your doubts, okay, regarding 9 SEM. And for more doubts, and if you all have more queries, you all can comment below, and we will definitely reach out to you. Also, tag all your engineering friends, okay. And from behalf of the whole 9 SEM team, wishing you all a very happy and prosperous new year 2021. Have a nice one. Yeah, so before we leave, I would also like to thank Manish sir and Soumya sir for taking out time from your busy schedules and being a part of this live session today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Janab.
Thank you,
Nothing
Zanab.
from
Yeah,
my side.
thank you so
Thank you, Zanab, and
much.
thank you for all the audience who are listening to us. And yeah, Happy New Year.
And yeah, we will come up with something really exciting things in the new year too. Bye bye.